our today's topic is about conduction system of heart. So, how heart conducts impulse by which atrium and ventricle get contract. So, in my previous video I have told you about structure of heart. You can go and watch that video. I will give its link in my description box, so you can go and check it out. So, this is the structure of heart, and I am not gonna describe it in detail because I have already described it. Now I am giving its overview that there are two atrium right and left, there are two ventricle right and left, and here are some arteries and veins like pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein and aorta, and superior and inferior vena cava, and there are valves also present. So, how impulse generate and how this atrium contract and these ventricles get contract. Okay. So, first of all, there are two nodes are present, SA-N node and AV node. So, what is this? This is SA-N node. This is present here in the right atrium in its right side of right atrium, and AV node is present here in the right atrium in its left side. Okay, present in right atrium and its left side it is present, and then here is between there here is AV bundle present, and now further there are two branches of AV bundle in the right and the left. There are two branches, right and left branch, and there are some outgrowth from these branches. This is known as Purkinje fiber. Now let's begin. What is SA-N? This is sinoatrial node, and this is work as pacemaker. Why it is pacemaker? Because it is generating sorry, impulse, or we can say it is maintaining rhythmicity of heart. It is generating impulse or it is generating pace, we can say. Okay. So, SA-N is generating impulse by which the atrium, the right atrium and the left atrium, this both get contract. Okay, and this impulse is now going to AV node also, and in AV node this impulse getting amplified. Okay. So, now second one is AV node. In AV node is working as a pace setter because it is amplifying or resetting the impulse which are coming from the SA-N node. Okay. Now this impulse will go to AV bundle. Now this impulse will go to AV bundle, and this AV bundle is separating here. It is separating into two branches, right and left. So, here the impulse is going to the right and left AV bundle branches, and look it very carefully, like this AV bundle and the right and left AV bundle branches, they combinedly known as bundle of His. Okay. So, what is bundle of His? When AV bundle and the right and left AV bundle branches they combine, this is known as bundle of His. This is AV node and these are its branches, right and left, and then impulse goes to Purkinje fiber. Here these are some outgrowth from the right and left and AV bundle branches. Okay. So, now finally the impulse are going to the right and left ventricle muscle and they get contract. First of all, by SA-N node the right and left atrium was getting contract, and now the impulse is going from SA node to AV node and then AV bundle, and then it means that bundle of His and then to the Purkinje fiber, by which the two ventricle right and left they are getting contract. So, this is all about the conduction system of heart. So I'll give you overview also. You can take a screenshot of it. Now, summary of this. It is very easy. Like, first of all, ACN node is generating impulse, and then this impulse are going to right and left atrium, and these are getting contract, and also this impulse are going to AV node, and this AV node is sending this impulse to AV bundle, and from AV bundle this impulse are going to the AV bundle branches, which are right and left branches, and then from here the impulse are going to Purkinje fiber, and from here it is going to ventricle muscle, right and left ventricle muscle, and they are going to contract. This are togetherly known as bundle of His. So this is summary. So that's all about conduction system of heart, and in our next video we'll learn about the cardiac cycle in detail. So if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and keep learning. Thank you for watching.